2013 CRF 250L, and I put some cheap graphics on it and blew it.
You blew it!
I was just trying to cover up some old scratched up 13,000 mile plastics, and I got a bunch of bubbles everywhere, and it looks terrible because the plastics are terrible and I'm terrible at installing them, the graphics anyway. So I got some new red plastics, OEM style, fresh off the cargo ship. Try to get all these old plastics off without stripping anything, and get the new ones on there. These I did not get. I'm thinking about just taking this stuff off and cleaning them a bit, but I'm replacing this with a red one and then just another red one on here. Alright, well, it looks like I've made some kind of progress. Turn this thing into a flathead. Yikes. Nightmare. There we go. What's this hook do? Oh, there's another hidden one. Pain in the butt. There we go. Now, here's the trick. How are you supposed to get this screw in here when you've already clipped this all together? I mean, I guess you gotta take this off and snap. What a pain. Oh, and there it goes.
No, God!
Couldn't be worse. Couldn't have been a stupider place. Wow, you just have to take it off. Freshies. All right, watch out, bud. Let's put the seat on. Get the black shrouds there. Place this. Definitely looks a lot better. Maybe switch that out with black. I'm gonna switch these out. And I got this on order, a red one.